The following garage door tune-up tip is brought to you by AAA Door Guys.
It failed, it was the bracket, and at the end, it created this racket.
Hey, AAA Door Guys. Garage door tune-up tips.
I'm AAA Chuck, your AAA door guy.
Tip number 9.
Brackets.
Brackets up top, brackets down low. Solid firm brackets make smooth door flow. Attached in the corners, cables need brackets. Glue prevents rusting to bring high bracket status.
Brackets.
We have 10 tips in total to tell you about. Learn more about your garage door in our AAA Garage Door Tune-Up video. Be sure to visit us online.
Hey, AAA Door Guys. No garage doors were harmed during the filming of this garage door tune-up tip. In fact, we saved a few.
Door guys care enough about homeowners to let them know the importance of having a garage door that runs.
Move the shaft aligned with the bearing plate, which keeps the shaft